Hey, hey, hey! Today we're taking a look at COOFANDY's two-piece set. So let's go ahead and put it on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very nice, cool to the touch shirt and pants. Or I should say shorts. You have two, I would say, smaller pockets on the left and right. You have a pocket on the back hind. Yeah, it's nice. It's cool to touch. It feels nice. Even without a shirt underneath it, it feels nice. It feels cool. Again, cool to the touch. True to size, I would say yes. If you normally take size large, go with large. We are 5'9", 197 pounds. Got a little bit of fluff to lose, but overall, it's nice. I think you should be good to go ahead with size large if that's what you normally take. It seems like it fits pretty well. You have the drawstrings here, so if you want to make your shorts tighter, you can, or just tuck that inside and then cover it up so they're not hanging down.